Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen at home with Maggi. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delicious and quick meal. You'll need your favorite instant ramen packet, a bottle of Maggi liquid seasoning, and any fresh toppings you desire, like a soft-boiled egg or some chopped green onions. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a truly satisfying dish. Now, let's get those noodles cooking just right. Bring about 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in your saucepan. Once the water is vigorously bubbling, carefully add your ramen noodles. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently to separate the strands. This ensures they cook evenly and achieve that perfect, springy texture, ready to absorb all the delicious flavors we're about to add. This is where the magic happens with Maggi. After your noodles are cooked, drain most of the water, leaving just about 1/4 cup in the pan with the noodles. Now, add the seasoning packet that came with your ramen. Then, for that signature depth of flavor, add a generous dash of Maggi liquid seasoning. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring every noodle is coated in the rich, savory broth. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Maggi ramen. Carefully transfer your hot, flavorful noodles and broth into a serving bowl. Now, get creative with your toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, some fresh chopped green onions, or even a sprinkle of chili flakes can elevate your meal. This simple method ensures a satisfying meal every time. Also, if you love reading while you eat, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.